A serene snow-dusted mountain range stretches majestically under the clear sky, home to a small inviting cave where tranquility reigns supreme. In the cozy confines of his cave, Dozy, a fluffy baby dragon with luminous orange scales and drowsy eyes, nestles peacefully. A wide yawn escapes Dozy, setting off an unexpected and delicate burst of flame. Dozy is taken by surprise, a hint of worry clouding his sleepy gaze as he realizes his unique predicament. A cold wind pierces the night, driving villagers to huddle deeper within their fragile homes as fear descends. As lanterns fade and darkness engulfs the village, a villager's desperate cry pierces the silence. The dragon's breathing fire. Darkness becomes the harbinger of unimaginable terror as the dragon's fire threatens to engulf everything. In the heart of the village, Dozy's innocent yawn sparks a series of benevolent miracles. A fallen marshmallow finds sweet redemption in a gentle flame, a lantern awakens with a warm glow, and a kitten's paws find solace in unexpected heat, all orchestrated by Dozy's power. Amidst the unfolding wonder, a transformation begins as the baker softly exclaims, "Wait a minute, he's not dangerous." A child's voice rings out with newfound delight. As helpful, encapsulating the village's shift from fear to appreciation. Under the starlit sky, Dozy's gentle yawns cast a warm glow upon the village, as children gather with hopeful eyes and outstretched marshmallows. Laughter dances through the air, a symphony of joy and unity, as Dozy's radiant presence melts away the night's chill. As the night deepens, Dozy's final yawn sends a tiny flame flickering like a lullaby. As the village embraces the magic of his unique gift,